down to see my old friend John, going across to Scotland where I was born. Make him a long